Hi, Robin here with WTI. We've all had those moments where we don't smell so fresh, we have somewhere to be, we don't have time for a shower. Enter these personal wipes from Pharma-C. These personal wipes are, for me, the perfect size. They are soft and really don't have so much moisture in them that they make your skin feel slimy. They are perfect. So whether it is a public restroom, whether you're traveling and want to keep one in your plane bag, these are perfect. I even keep one at work for when I have to use their restroom and just want that extra bit of freshness, especially throughout those certain times of the month where you just feel like you need a bit more. The size makes them super compact and perfect for keeping in the car also. So I've been there, I had somewhere to be, I was running late, and I did not smell great. So in came these handy dandy little wipes. I love the feel of these wipes. They kind of have sturdiness to them, but they do not sacrifice any softness. The scent is light and fresh as well. These are also safe for intimate areas, which always need a bit of a freshen up too, don't they, ladies? But that's just my point of view.